Meaning of high jinks.
High jinks.
High jinks.
High jinks.
High jinks. High jinks refers to boisterous and mischievous behavior, often characterized by raucous laughter, horseplay, and practical jokes. The term can be applied to any situation where people engage in playfully disruptive behavior, particularly when it is considered inappropriate or unprofessional. The results of high jinks can vary depending on the context, but they may include physical harm, damage to property, embarrassment, or disciplinary action. While these behaviors can be harmless and entertaining in some settings, they can also lead to serious consequences and should be approached with caution.